Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix password doesn't match in Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create your new Apple ID password, but you're facing this type issue again and again that whenever you enter your new password here, you might see an error that your password is not matched. So you just have to try to remove your previous password from here. And after removing your previous password, I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart because sometimes it might be a software glitch. So you have to try to go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone and just not do that. Just quickly press on this volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes really black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and here you have to retry it to open your settings. Then tap on your Apple ID and here just tap on sign in and security. Just wait for the loading, then tap on change password here. And now you have to retry to enter your new password. You have to enter your new password in this upper section and also in this lower section. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any mistake in that password. So I recommend you have to try to and the password slowly or one by one character. So let's say I'm gonna enter a new password here. So just enter the one character, verify this, then enter second, and just use this method to enter a new password. Enter your new password here, then retype your new password. And once you have done, just tap on this continue option, and your password will be successfully changed without the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.